More than 300 individuals from 4 barangays in Pasay City are currently staying at the Malibay Central Plaza after being evacuated by the local government due to the effects of Typhoon Uwan. Department or PSWDD. The affected barangays include Barangay 144, Barangay 177, Barangay 162, and Barangay 165, areas that are often prone to flooding during heavy rains. Some residents did not hesitate to evacuate for their safety.
Kasi po yung bahay namin umuuga na doon sa Barangay 144. Kaya pinalipat kami dito ni Cap.
Kasi po, kaya kami lumikas dito po kasi tabing ilog po kami. Isa po, yung bahay po namin baba lang, wala po kaming taas. Siyempre, naranasan namin lagi mataas ang baha, wala kaming taas. Kaya natatakot lang, nagkapobya, katuloy nangyari sa Cebu. Kaya nag-desisyon ako sa mga anak ko na lumikas na tayo para tayo makasigurado.
Malakas po ang hangin may bagyo kasi. Kaya nagsabi kasi doon sa amin, pumunta na daw kami dito sa Malibay. Evacuate daw kasi baka lumipad yung bahay namin.
According to the record of the Evacuation Center Information Board at Malibay Plaza, a total of 89 families or 310 individuals are currently staying in the evacuation center. Most of the evacuees are children, elderly people, and solo parents. No injuries or fatalities have been reported. Inside the evacuation center, facilities such as a community kitchen, bathing area, toilets, and a health station have been set up to ensure the safety and cleanliness of the evacuees. Food, water, and relief goods continue to be distributed, while the city is still expected to experience occasional rains brought by Typhoon Uwan. A total of 21 modular tents are available at the evacuation center. As weather conditions improve, some evacuees have slowly begun returning to their homes.